it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today JF brought over his brand new 2020 Maverick XRC Turbo RR. We're going to do a little race. So his is bone stock. Mine is also bone stock. It's a 2016 YXZ 1000R. The only thing done to the YXZ is it actually has 29-inch bighorns on it, which actually kind of hurt it a little bit power-wise. But other than that, they're both bone stock. So we kind of both know the outcome of what this race is going to be. The X3 is obviously going to win it. They're kind of machines that aren't in the same class. So that's a 1000 turbo making 195 horse, and this is a naturally aspirated 1000. This makes 112 from the factory. So we both know the X3 is going to win, but we want to do this race for two reasons. One, I'm just kind of curious how many lengths the X3 is going to put on the YXZ, and two, I bought a turbo kit for this YXZ, which is going to be going on soon, and we'll have videos on that. So it's good to get a benchmark of how it's going to be lengthwise, what the X3 is going to put in the YXZ, and then we'll know once we get the turbo on, you know, how much of a difference there really was stock to turbo. So we're going to go find a good spot to do this race, and we'll see you in a minute. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Hit that red button below. We're going to be doing a bunch of stuff this year. We're going to be hitting the dunes, trails, all kinds of stuff. So if you're not subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you did, and we'll see you in a minute. Gonna happen there.
I would have left so battle to start.
Did you? Yeah.
I'm just sitting there spinning.
We'll do one more, the same run. I'm gonna set up a tripod on the side of the road, like halfway down or something. Okay. It's the same thing, but whatever.
You wanna go that way or this way?
We'll go this way again. It was good.
Okay.
You good? Pretty hard on the top end there.
What's that?
I said you roll by pretty hard on top end.
Yeah.
It's usually as soon as I get to fourth, you're fucking gone.